Tilting column type pneumatic deluxe tire changer with enlarged turntable and right helper arm. Installed the machine, connect the power supply and air supply. Treat the pedal, column tilts backward. Treat the pedal again, column returns. Completely treat clamping pedal, 4 jaws open. Treat again, jaws close. Treat bead breaker pedal. Bead breaker shovel presses tire. Loose bead braking pedal. Bead braking shovel returns to original position. Treat turntable rotation pedal. Turntable rotates in a clockwise direction. Lift the turntable rotation pedal. Turntable rotates in an anti-clockwise direction. Handle of lifting. Press locking button to lock sliding arm and vertical arm. Remove valve core. Press tire loose, position the 4 clamping jaws, put the tire on the turntable. Right helper arm central positioning. Inner tire pressing roller presses tire. Press down tire pressing head and lock. Smear lubricant oil on the tire bead. Insert lifting lever. Lift inner tire pressing roller. Lower the tire pressing head. Lift the tire bead upon the front of the mounting head. Move tire pressing head away, rotate the turntable, demount the tire top layer. Tire lifting disc lifts tire bottom layer. Insert lifting lever. Lift the bottom tire bead up to the front of the mounting head. Rotate the turntable. Demount the tire bottom layer. Smear lubricant oil on the tire bead. Put on tire. Make tilting column to return. Put the tire on the wheel rim. Lower the mounting head to rim edge and lock it. Put the bottom tire bead between rear top and front bottom of the mounting head. Rotate the turntable. Mount tire bottom layer. Put the top tire bead upon the mounting head rear and below mounting head front. Inner tire pressing roller presses down tire. Tire pressing head presses down tire. Rotate the turntable. Mount tire top layer. Inflate tire.